Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about transferring files. Now we've had a working web server up for a while now, and we've seen how to create and edit files here and there on there. And we've created the web server and we've made a simple web page for it. Today we're going to look at how to transfer files between this system and other server, or perform tasks like to copy a document from your desktop to your server, or from your server to your desktop, copying text to your server for a web page, or uploading photos and logos to your web page. Now there's many different ways to do this, and today we're going to look at doing this through SFTP, which is file access and copy over the SSH protocol, the way we've been logging into this machine this whole time. And the easiest way to do this is by downloading a program called Filezilla. Now I'll put a link to this down below, but to download Filezilla, you simply go to filezillaproject.org. And then we're going to do the Windows download client. Alright, and you simply click download. And first we're going to get the license agreement box. Now it's going to give you an option for add word companion. I'm going to decline it. And you can make this Filezilla available to just you or to anybody that uses this computer. I'm going to keep it as uses this computer. And you can select the options to install, the components to install. Now I select desktop icon, make it easier to find, and the destination folder. And we'll click install. Click next. And then click Start Filezilla Now. Upon opening, you're going to see some information about it, what version you're running, and you'll see that it's open source, and it's going to give you some release notes about it and documentation. So we'll just simply hit OK, and then I'm going to expand the screen so I can see what I'm doing. And to connect, it's as simple as putting my host, which to find our host of our server, we're going to go to AWS, the chat box for more information, and the public IPv4 DNS is the address. So go back to Filezilla, copy that in. Username will be what you log in with. In my case, be Morgan. Password is going to be my password, and it's going to be port 22. Rest of it, and click open it. And it will give you the option of save password. I'm going to say do not save. I'm going to click OK. And you can see the status over here in the corner as it's connecting. And then once it's connected, you'll see the file tree in your system. Once we're connected, we can go to My Documents. And I'm just going to pull a folder. And we'll choose somewhere in here to move it. And I'm going to put it in my main directory. And you can simply just drag it and drop it. And you'll see the status down here as it's transferred. Now, if you want to check it, we'll just bring up an SSH terminal. There you can see the document that I just transferred. And to verify that it was just transferred over, we can see the date right there. Then go back to Filezilla, and we can right-click on Bill Morgan, and you can create a directory if you want to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to create a text document for testing SFTP, and that's what's spelled testing, and simply test. And we're going to save it. And there's testing. So now we'll go back to Filezilla, and we will look under here, refresh in Filezilla. Over here, we'll see testing, and we can simply drag it. And I'm going to drag it to my documents and paste it. And there's the status of it down there. And there's testing. I'll open up testing in my documents. And there it is. Test, test, test. So we have successfully used SFTP to transfer a document to and from our server. Transferring any type of file or photo will be the same process exactly. And what I love about using Filezilla is that you can see your file structure of where you're at and where you're going easily over here, and it actually verifies the transfer to. And that is it for today, guys. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below so you know when new videos are released, and leave a comment on what other videos you'd like to see. Thank you.